Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add text to video in DaVinci Resolve. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, of course, you need to open DaVinci and upload your video and go to the edit section right here. And as we are on our timeline, we can see in the left side of the screen we have such a toolbar, and here will be the section called titles. So we need to open the section titles, and here basically we can find all the different texts that we can add to our video. So you just simply need to check them and see what suits best for you. So there are some basic text as well. So for example, I recommend you, if you want some basic text, you need to choose text plus, because it is better than just simply text, because you can add some effects on it if you want. So now you can just drag it to the timeline, and here, as you can see, it is on our video. So here in the right side we can have the options that we can add to our text. So first of all, of course, we can change the text. So for example, hello, and we can add some different things to it. So we can change the font if you want, just make it bold, semi-bold, or like light. Change the color, so click on the color and change here in that way. Increase the size, decrease the size. So basically these are all the options you can customize in this text. So if you want something special, you can also just cut this boring text and choose something more interesting. So for example, if you want, you can add some something like that. Just drag it to the timeline, and as well just simply go and change the text from sample to something that you like. So for example, tutorial, yeah, and then increase the size, and basically you can just simply go and play with it. Go to the transform if you want, increase the spacing, decrease the spacing, rotation. So basically everything you would like is located right here. So you can also change the position of the text, going to the settings right here and changing the position options right here. You can just simply drag them, change the rotation, zoom, etc. And basically that is it. That is how you can add the text to your video in DaVinci. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.